Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Hank quest quickly and easily. First, just go to the crystal tab, and once you're there, just find the NPC named Hank and talk to him to accept the quest like this over here. This NPC, and then just talk to him. And then next, just tap on crystal gathering quest like this. And after that, just go to quest menu and then just tap on crystal gathering, this one. And then in here you will see a task to obtain Hank's diary through fishing, and the diary has a mythic rarity, so don't worry, you can fish right in this area. And but don't worry, you can fish right in this area. Just keep fishing until you get the Hank's diary. Just keep fishing over here, for example. It may take a few tries, so be patient. And after you get the diary, just return to the NPC Hank and give it to him. And once the quest is complete, you will receive a big X that can be used to mine crystals. And okay, that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.